So it's January 2nd, 2023. And as I reflect back in my mind over the last 3 years, thinking about January 2nd, 2020, I'm at a loss for words. To think that in the last 30 days, this team here in Corsicana has moved over 400,000 cubic yards. Now, granted, that's the halfway point, and it's probably the easiest amount of earth to move because now we have to start getting very exact where it goes, how it sets up, the grading, the compaction, all of the detailed things that allow us to start getting ready to pour buildings, pour concrete pads for substations, and so on. But let's go take a look in the back for a second. So I'm in the back of the property, and right there, that's where our 1 gigawatt interconnect is in the Navarro switch. And then right here, this area right here, this is where our substation's going in. So now that we're in the back, we've taken a look at where we're gonna put the substation, as well as where the Navarro switch is, which is again, right over there. And then we're gonna go head up to the front. We're gonna go look at a couple of other things that have been going on. So as we head to the front, I'm just blown away. Like I say that a lot, I'm blown away. And it has everything to do with the comparison. And again, it's in my mind, the comparison when I talk about being at a loss for words, the comparison between Rockdale and Corsicana and the speed and scale at which these projects are functioning. Now, the speed and scale at which Corsicana is moving at is amazing. Now, granted, Rockdale flew, but this is a whole nother level. As you can see, my favorite 5-inch and 4-inch conduit, and I just saw the electrical contractors delivering some more material because they're starting to actually work on the electrical work this week. But soon, before you know it, all of this right here, all of this is going to be filled with materials for this job site. So there in the distance, those are our office trailers set up right there. And if you can see all the way across, we really have moved, like I said, we've moved so much earth. You can start seeing here where I talked about, now it's getting all level. Now this level plane is gonna work its way all the way across the front to the front of the property. So I'm standing about where building A is gonna be. Building A is gonna run perpendicular as well as B, C, and so on and so forth to the main road out front. They're gonna be about 32 feet below the road elevation. Now we will have our offices as well as our inventory building and some ancillary buildings that are going to be at the regular elevation or the same elevation as the road out front. Remember, we're going to have a 9-foot fence out front, security fence, as well as trees and landscaping to help create a nice barrier for our neighboring properties. As each week unfolds here in Corsicana, it is going to be just exciting to share with you the progress of this team. My name's Chad Harris, Riot's Corsicana facility right here in the great state of Texas, and thank you for watching.